Welcome to the Mint Report, a wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Vedanta says it's not going to change its open offer price. Singh Brothers get set for a brand new acquisition in Asia. And markets begin the week with gains as more foreign money flows in. We start with the Vedanta Kane deal. At a press conference on Monday, Vedanta chairman Anil Agarwal said the open offer price for Kane India's minority shareholders remained unchanged. That statement came after reports that said Vedanta was looking at offering them at the same price it offered Kane Energy. Under the proposed deal, Vedanta will pay 405 rupees for every share it buys from Kane and 355 for every share from minority shareholders. Also at Monday's press conference, Kane Energy's Bill Gamel said the two companies were still waiting for a number of regulatory approvals to come through. He also apologized for news of the proposed deal leaking out before the government was informed. Meanwhile, shares of Kane India climbed more than 2% on the BSE on Tuesday, ending the day at 345 rupees. And the promoters of Fortis are all set to make a fresh foreign acquisition. The Singh brothers have agreed to buy the healthcare assets of the company Quality Healthcare Asia. They will purchase those assets from the Hong Kong-based firm for $195 million. The acquisition will be made by a separate company called Fortis Global Healthcare Holdings, which the Singh brothers control. Earlier this year, Fortis Healthcare had tried and abandoned an attempt to pick up a controlling stake in Singapore's Parkway. Shares of Fortis closed 1.3% higher on the BSE at 173 rupees and 30 paise. And in other news, the government says it's not looking to deregulate diesel prices immediately. On Monday, Finance Secretary Ashok Chawla said removing controls from prices of the fuel would not be prudent at a time when inflation remained high. The government had deregulated petrol prices back in June, but retained those on diesel. And before we leave you, here's how Indian markets did on Monday. The Sensex gained 90 points to close at 20,340 and the Nifty went up 32 to finish at 6,136. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.